Today, we're diving into something that has stirred the motocross world like a thunderstorm, the new 2025 Kawasaki KX500. Yes, you heard it right, the legendary 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke is back, and it's more aggressive, refined, and powerful than ever. The legacy of the KX500. Before we talk about the new model, let's revisit the legacy. The original Kawasaki KX500 was an absolute monster. Produced from the early 80s until 2004, it became a two-stroke icon. Known for its raw, brutal power delivery and domination in desert racing and motocross, the KX500 carved out a reputation as one of the most intimidating bikes ever built. When Kawasaki discontinued it, riders thought that was the end of an era. But now, after more than 2 decades, that era is being reborn. The return of the two-stroke king. For 2025, Kawasaki has reimagined the KX500 with a perfect balance of nostalgia and modern technology. This isn't just a revival, it's a re-engineering. The new KX500 keeps the heart and soul of the original, a fire-breathing two-stroke single-cylinder engine, but refines it with cutting-edge updates for today's demanding riders and regulations. Ergonomics and design. From a design standpoint, the 2025 KX500 is unmistakably Kawasaki, aggressive, bold, and race-ready. The plastics and bodywork are minimalist, functional, and styled for quick access during maintenance. The seat is flat and grippy, ideal for weight shifts and aggressive riding. The riding position is upright and race-focused, with adjustable bar mounts and foot pegs to suit a variety of rider sizes and preferences. The narrow midsection and refined frame geometry make it feel smaller than you'd expect for a 500, boosting rider confidence. Engine and performance. At the core of the new KX500 is a completely redesigned 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. It delivers instant, explosive power but with smoother delivery and more rideability thanks to modern fuel injection. That's right, no more carburetor tuning headaches. The addition of an advanced electronic power valve system helps manage power delivery across the rev range, making it more controllable without losing that raw two-stroke snap we all crave. With over 65 horsepower on tap and weighing significantly less than its four-stroke cousins, this bike isn't just fast, it's terrifyingly fast. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the power band for motocross and high-speed desert use, giving riders the edge in acceleration and response. Chassis and suspension. All that power would be useless without a capable chassis, and Kawasaki knows this. The 2025 KX500 gets a newly engineered aluminum perimeter frame inspired by the current KX450 platform but reinforced to handle the torque and aggression of a 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke. The suspension setup features fully adjustable shower components front and rear, with long travel to soak up big hits on the track or trail. The handling is sharp, stable, and surprisingly agile for a bike with this much grunt. Kawasaki also adjusted the weight distribution for improved cornering without compromising straight-line stability. Modern tech meets old-school attitude. One of the most exciting parts about the 2025 KX500 is how Kawasaki has combined modern technology with the raw essence of two-stroke performance. It includes launch control, switchable engine maps, and optional traction control, all features we've come to expect on modern race bikes. The bike also features a lightweight lithium battery, digital instrument readout, and connectivity via Kawasaki's Rideology app. Riders can tweak performance settings on the fly and review data like lap times, throttle position, and more. However, despite the tech, Kawasaki made sure this still feels like a two-stroke animal, loud, aggressive, and endlessly fun. Braking and wheels. Stopping power comes from high-performance Brembo brakes, a noticeable upgrade from past generations. A 270mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc provide excellent bite and modulation. The wheels are strong and lightweight did rims wrapped in Dunlop MX-33 tires, giving riders the grip and durability they need in all-terrain conditions. Environmental compliance and sound. One of the biggest challenges with bringing a two-stroke back in 2025 is emissions. Kawasaki tackled this head-on with a clean-burning direct injection system and an advanced exhaust valve, making the KX500 compliant with most current off-road emission standards. It still sounds like a proper 500 two-stroke, raw, aggressive, and heart-pounding, but with reduced smoke and cleaner combustion. It's music to a rider's ears but no longer an environmental nightmare. Who is the 2025 KX500 for? Let's be real, the KX500 isn't for beginners. This bike is for seasoned motocross riders, desert racers, and those who crave the intensity of raw two-stroke power. It's not about casual trail rides or Sunday cruising. This is a full-send machine built for riders who want to push their limits. But if you're someone who grew up hearing legends about the KX500 or raced the old one yourself, this bike brings all that fire and fury back, with less hassle and more control. Price and availability. Kawasaki has priced the 2025 KX500 competitively, aiming it at both serious racers and collectors alike. While pricing may vary by region, it's expected to land around $11,999, not cheap, but fair for a limited production powerhouse like this. Availability will be limited initially, with pre-orders already opening in select markets. Final thoughts: a legend reborn. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 isn't just a motocross bike. It's a statement. Kawasaki has proven that two-stroke performance isn't dead, it's evolving. With this rebirth, we're seeing a perfect blend of history and innovation. It's brutal, beautiful, and engineered for riders who demand nothing but the best. Whether you're a two-stroke diehard or just love high-performance machines, the new KX500 is one of the most exciting bikes of the decade. Kawasaki has resurrected a legend, and it's just as wild as we hoped it would be. Outro: subscribe to Bike Future. That wraps up today's look at the incredible 2025 Kawasaki KX500. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more first looks, comparisons, and insider motorcycle news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Bike Future, where the ride never ends. Stay fast, ride hard, and we'll catch you in the next video.